Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain how to create a mock test in myconceptbooster.com. Log in with your ID and password in your organization. Go to mock test and click on create mock test button, which is appearing here. So give an examination title. I am giving JEE Mains Model Exam, and here this is not mandatory to select, and select examination type. I am conducting chapter test, and class I am conducting the examination for 12th class. I am selecting 12th. So here the branch and section will be automatically selected here. And examination name I am selecting this one as JEE Mains Exam, and examination date taking 24th May, and time I am conducting the examination by 10 AM, and examination end date, so the same day up to 5 PM I am planning to conduct the examination, and the students who want to write the examination can write the examination between this time. And the duration of the examination I am giving it as 3 hours. So between 10 to 5 you can write the examination any 3 hours continuously. So I am giving the questions from the classes 12. If you want to give the questions from the lower sections also for easy questions, you can select those classes also here. So you have to write the syllabus here, which syllabus you are going to conduct the examination. So just for the understanding, I am writing physics waves and click on submit button. Now come to this examination, JEE Mains Model Examination, which we already prepared here, and here select these 3 dots and add section questions. Here predefined examination formats appear here: JEE Mains, recent model JEE Mains paper here, NEET, EAMCET, Engineering, Agriculture, BITSAT, and B Pharma paper, and also JEE Advanced, and some more templates also we can create it. So we have to add sections. If you are giving the examination paper in a customized way in your own pattern, if you want to give, then go to the add section to customize mock test. So in generally we take the predefined mock test. For example, I am taking JEE Mains examination pattern. I am selecting the JEE Mains examination model. So this model is selected. Now the current JEE Mains model examination, 3 subjects, 20 questions multiple choice, and 10 questions integer type, that is numerical based questions are there, and 5 question choice is also there. So similar to physics, chemistry and mathematics also having 2 sections. One is having single answer question, and second one is numerical based question. In this one we have upload questions. We can upload the questions by manually, or we can add the questions from the myconceptbooster.com question bank. I am adding the question from the myconceptbooster.com question bank, and the same procedure we need to repeat for the remaining subjects also. So I am adding the questions here. So this add question will be displayed here. In this one, select the class from which you are adding and subject, and select the chapter from which we are going to add the questions, and topics are also available here. I am taking one subtopic, single integer, and levels, all levels generally we are taking examinations. So all examinations questions will display here. So if I click on search button, it gives out the number of questions available on particular subtopic. Now on the subtopic I am going to add 20 questions for the single answer type. Here in this right side corner, here a pop-up is displaying that how many number of questions are added. Now no question is added from this one. Now I am adding the questions here. So first I have to read the question, and if it is okay, then select add question. If this question is not appropriate, then go to the next one, and you can select the questions which you want to add to your question paper. So like this. So after that completion of all the 20 questions, then you can stop. Now here the 20 questions are added. Now go to mock test. Again go to these 3 dots and add section questions, and 20 questions added for physics section 1 single answer type question. Now we need to add the integer questions here. So I am again clicking on the add questions, and here this dialog box displayed, and class, subject, chapter. I am selecting all topics here. Type of questions, now I am selecting integer type question and pressing on search button. It gives out the number of integer questions are available in this chapter. 24 are available. So I am adding the questions to this one. So now one question added, physics numerical based question. Similarly we have to add all the 10 questions. Once check here, physics single answer questions 20 and numerical based questions 10 added here. Similarly you have to follow the same procedure which we did for physics subject, chemistry, and also for the mathematics. So go to mock test, and if you go to this paper, then the remaining 2 subjects, chemistry and mathematics, also we need to follow the same procedure. And after completing all subjects, if you check this one, so if we can add the we can view the added questions. So here the questions will be displayed here. You can remove the question and add another question if you don't want to continue with the same question. Okay, so here the questions will be displayed here. You can remove and add another question also. One more thing here, the total 3 papers, physics, maths, chemistry, is over, and the verification is also over. Then we have to activate the examination paper. If you press this one, this becomes blue color, from a light color to dark color it changes. So then the question paper is now activated, then the student can write the examination. So when the student log in with his ID and password, then he can view the examination paper, then he can write the examination.